I'm Brittany with WTI, and everyone wants to be comfortable, whether it's during the summer or the winter.
And for my little apartment, all I need is the TURBRO 12,000 BTU mini split. It is everything I need to be in complete comfort. It comes with a stencil to show you where to put the hole and to attach the brackets. You then just open it up and connect the wires. It's really easy because it's all color coded. You pull out the copper pipes and the drain and make sure all of that fits through the hole. And after that, you set up the external unit. Once the external unit is attached to the bracket, make sure you take a good look at that manual because it's going to tell you everything you need to do. It's got plaster, it's got tape, and a face cover. You just connect all the pipes and the tube and then close up all the valves after all of the steps are done. Once the external unit has been attached fully to the internal unit, you can take that baby for a spin. It has a swing function that goes up and down and side to side. It has all of the modes you need for cold, dehumidify, heat. You can control the level of the fan or go to turbo mode. You have also this sleep mode. You can set your favorite temperatures and put it on a timer. The I Feel mode has a sensor so that it detects what you need where you are. What I personally love about it is that when it's cold in the morning, it's hard for me to get up. I can easily grab the remote. I can turn the heat on, stay in bed for a few minutes, and then it's easier for me to get up and start the day. This unit can cover my entire little apartment from the kitchen to the living room, all the way back to its source in the bedroom.
And this mini split is all we need in this little apartment to help us stay cool during the summer and warm during the winter. And that's my point of view.